technology enterprise network. This is what is obtainable in USA. NTEN, often in collaboration with fellow non-profit Idealware and TechSoap Global, offers a variety of technology resources ideally suited to profit the libraries. What we are trying to say is this: CRM, for CRM to be effective, for CRM to achieve its purpose, it must be properly reviewed and it must be properly selected. Okay? Then we move to the next one: project management and communication. Project management and communication. Implementing CRM can be a time-consuming and costly process. Look at that. Time-consuming, cost-effective. Did you see that? For you to carry it out, it is time-consuming and cost-effective, with many elements often occurring simultaneously. That is, many challenges. Campaign management that we talk about. We talk also about other challenges that is being surfaced during this CRM review process. They make firms to incur costs. They also consume the time of firms who are applying CRM into their sales strategy and marketing strategy of getting customers. Okay, with many elements often occurring simultaneously.